Dear learners, welcome to our online class. Here we are again with our new topics. Hope all of you are well by the grace of Allah. I am also fine. Let's start our new topics. Here is my identity. I am Minatun Nahar, assistant teacher, Police Lines School and College Rangpur, and our selective book is English for Today and discursive lesson is Unit 3. Dear learners, here is a picture. You can see here a picture. Can you guess what is the picture about? Here we can see a girl and a boy is discussing about something. They are sitting and discussing about something. Have you any idea what they discuss? What about they discuss? Dear learners, today we will discuss about Flora's first day at school 1. Unit 3, Lesson 2. Flora's first day at school 1. Learning outcomes. After we have studied this unit, we will be able to ask and answer the questions, talk about familiar events, read and understand texts, write answers to questions, write short composition. So dear learners, after we have completed this text, we will be able to ask and answer the questions, talk about familiar events, read and understand text, write answers to questions, write short compositions. As usual, before going to our text, we have some vocabulary and here are some vocabularies. The vocabularies are recall, verb to bring the memory of past events into one's mind. To bring the memory of past event into one's mind. Exactly, adverb. In every respect or accurately. In every respect or accurately. Think, verb. To imagine or to form a mental picture. To imagine or to form a mental picture. Remember, verb. Keep in mind. Keep in mind. Happen, verb. To take place. To take place. Start, verb. To begin an activity. To begin an activity. Excited, adjective. Very enthusiastic or eager. If you need your time, please take your time and write down the vocabularies in your copy. I think you have completed. So, we are going to our next slide. Now come to the text, please have a look. Next week, Farabi comes to visit Flora in her house. They are having a chat. Can you remember your first day at school, Flora? Farabi asked. Next week, Farabi comes to visit Flora's house and they are discussing about something. Farabi asked Flora about her first day at school. Oh yes, I can, Flora says. Flora answers, she can. I can recall exactly what happened. She can recall, she remembered the day very nicely. Would you like to hear it? I would love to, says Farabi. Farabi positively answers, he would like to know about that day. Please tell me. Okay, says Flora. It was 2006. I was then 6 years old. One day my mother said, Flora, you are going to start your school tomorrow. So dear learners, we have come to know that Flora started her school in 2006 and then she was only 6 years old. I was very excited. Flora was very excited. I couldn't think of anything else. I was always thinking about the school, the teachers and the students of our school. She was very much excited about her new school, teacher and the students or her classmates of school. I couldn't even sleep well that night. She was so much excited that she couldn't sleep that night properly. The next morning, my mother woke me up early in the morning. I had a bath and put on my best clothes. Then the incident is happened. Flora woke up very early in the morning and took her bath and wore the best clothes. Then I had breakfast and started for the school with my mother. Flora started for her school with her mother. The school was not very far from our home, so we walked all the way. The school was very near to her house, so they walked the way. Say whether the following statements are true or false. If false, give the correct information. Here are some informations here, and you should correct the information if the information is false. Farabi and Flora are talking at school. Farabi and Flora are talking at school. Flora is talking about her school. Flora first went to school at the age of 6. Her mother dressed her in her best clothes. Flora walked to school. The correct informations are: the first one was false. Correct information: they are talking at Flora's house. Flora and Farabi are talking at Flora's house. Number 2, false. Correct information: Flora is talking about her first day at school. Flora is talking about her first day at school. Number 3, true. 4, false. Correct information: Flora dressed herself in her best clothes. Flora dressed herself in her best clothes. Number 5 is true. Here are some fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. Flora is a student. She is dash class 7. She can remember her dash day at school even today. She dashed to school in 2006. Her mother dashed her to school. The school was dash a long way from their house. Dash Flora walked to school dash her mother. Please try to fill the gaps. For your consideration, Flora is a student. She is in class 7. She is in class 7. She can remember her first day at school even today. She can remember her first day at school even today. She went to school in 2006. She went to school in 2006. Her mother took her to school. Her mother took her to school. The school was not a long way. The school was not a long way from their house. So Flora walked to school with her mother. So Flora walked to school with her mother. If you want to write down the answers, you may. Here are some matchings. Match the words with their meanings. The words are here: chat, recall, exactly, excited. Chat, recall, exactly, excited. The meanings are here: precisely, feeling happiness, a friendly conversation, remembers. The meanings are: chat, a friendly conversation, a friendly conversation. Recall, remember, recall, remember. Exactly, precisely, exactly, precisely. Excited, feeling happiness, excited, feeling happiness. So dear learners, now time to give the homework for you. Here is your homework. Write a short composition about your first day at school, answering the question below. Write a short composition about your first day at school, answering the question below. In your answer, the question answer should be in your composition. How old were you at that time? How old were you at that time when you were first in your school? Then what is your how old were you? What is the name of the school you went to? What is the name of the school you went to? What did you put on? What did you put on? How did you feel before you started for the school? How did you feel before you started for the school? Who did you go with? Who did you go with? Thanks for today, dear learners. Be safe and follow the rules of hygiene. Goodbye.